Hey, hi traders. Good morning. This is Pativan. 28 April 2016. Today's Thursday. Okay, guys. I'm preparing three videos for today. This is the first video. This video is about yesterday's Euro USD and our GBP CAT setup. So I'm going to explain in detail of this trade setup, and I'm going to include money management in this because I got to know that few groups, a few traders live account got passed or got margin call during this volatility. So I'm going to explain to you guys in detail why these things happens and how to avoid this. Okay, you see, our trade setup was here. We have a very solid reason to enter the trade. Okay, this engulfing bar, this is the pin bar. Okay, the reason we entered the trade is because we see a engulfing bar, bearish engulfing bar. Okay, and we see a very good pin bar, price rejection, market push down. So that this is the pullback. This is the pullback, and you have to understand one thing. The reason why we set stop loss here, because in our entries here, because we allowing the market to move around this space and reverse back and favor to our trade. So you have to give the market enough room to move. If your stop loss is too tight or your lot size is too high, you might get margin call. And I was surprised because you see, even with almost like yesterday it was like 60 pips. It seems like many got margin call, and for $1,000 capital, you cannot get margin call for 60 pips. If you get margin call for 60, it means something wrong with you, something wrong with the trading entries. Then I got to know what is the what went wrong is many fail to understand money management. They don't understand the whole concept of money management. If you have $1,000, entering $20, does it sound risky? The 2% per trade is not counted like this. You see, $1,000, 2% is $20. So to enter $2, you enter 2 lot volume. This is wrong concept. This is very wrong. If you're still following this, your account can go bust. Okay, if you have $1,000 account, let me explain the real one. Okay, then I've already informed you guys this is under 45 pips. Assume under 50 pips. So what you have to do is 2% out of your capital is how much? It's $20. Okay, it's $20. So once you take $20, every setup is different, unique. So we have to divide by 145 pips. Okay, 145 pips. Okay, let me calculate that. 145 pips. 20 divided by 145. Okay, we are getting $1.13 value per pips. If we convert this to volume, it's going to be 0.01. If you feel the lot size is very small, then you can increase your percentage by going to 5% or 10% because the capital is small. So if it's 10%, then you will be entering 0.05. So you know the risk for this trade. But if you enter like 1 lot or 2 lot over here, which is $10 or $20 per pips, by reversal of 60 pips, you will be shaken up. So the right calculation is this one. So hope this give you guys a clarity. If you have $1,000, if you feel like the calculation is too much, you can just fix your every entry 0.02 volume. So this will save you guys from a lot of stress. Okay, another one more element that I want to talk is, let's say it's a micro account and a standard account. See, when you're using FX United's broker, most of my clients using that. Okay, I want to explain to you guys. In micro account, if it's 0.01, 0.10, one lot, okay, and it values, okay, how much does it value? Okay, if this is the lot size, then over here it's 1 cent, the dollar value, okay, and this one is 10 cent. If it's one lot, means $1. But in standard account, if this is the volume, means 10 cent. If 0.1 is the volume, then it's $1 per pips. If one lot, it's called $10 per pip. So hope this gives you guys a clarity of account. You got to know what account using, if it's whether it's micro or standard, then you have to know the lot size properly. Without knowing this, without knowing money management, many going to burst their account continuously, because money management is very important, and this is the basic money management where you have to focus on. Trading strategies, entries are secondary. The important part about trading is money management. If money management is correct, you see, I've given out more than 8-9 entries for past 2 months. Assume like my entries 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So far I've given about 8 to 10 entries on a daily chart, and I've given more on the H4 and other counter trends. All the entries are hit take profit or manage my FSA and then break even, then he reverses. So I did not let any trades hit stop loss. This is my position, my accuracy. So for beginners who started with me learning price action, what I'm saying to you guys, even you lose your stop loss hit for first trade, second trade, third trade, fourth trade, fifth trade, sixth trade, seventh trade, and you only win 3 trades out of 10 trades, my message, my coaching is, you still can be a profitable trader, because we have a risk reward in favor. We are not gambling here, we are trading here. We are trading professionally with a proper money management, with a proper risk reward, with a proper high probability trade setup. So trading like this is gambling. This is gambling. This is gambling, and this is a proper trading. Okay, because I'm a full-time in forex trading, and I'm solely depend on this income. So when I put my entire survival on this, I cannot depend on luck. It has to be really a probability game. So that's the reason I'm using a proper money management for me to survive through and consistently make money, even though any market changes occurs. Okay guys, thank you, hope this benefit you guys. Safe trade.